Europe is known for strong passports, but some countries make it even easier in 2026. No visa applications, no long waits, just freedom to explore. In this video, we talk about the 7 countries that welcome Europeans with open arms visa-free in 2026 and explain the real reasons behind this. And now, let's dive in. Number 7. Georgia. Why is Georgia welcoming Europeans with open arms in 2026? The main reason is economic growth through tourism. Georgia wants to boost its travel industry, and European visitors bring significant spending power. The government sees visa-free entry as the fastest way to attract more travelers. Europeans can stay up to 1 year without a visa, making Georgia one of the most generous countries in the world. Why such a long period? Because Georgia hopes Europeans will not just visit, but also invest, work remotely, or even relocate. Another reason is cultural exchange. Georgia values its connections with Europe and wants to strengthen ties through easier travel. The country offers stunning mountain landscapes, ancient wine regions, and vibrant cities like Tbilisi. Without visa barriers, Europeans can explore freely. Local businesses benefit greatly from increased tourism. Hotels, restaurants, and tour operators gain more customers, which strengthens the economy. Students and young professionals also take advantage of this policy, choosing Georgia for extended stays. In 2026, Georgia remains one of the top destinations for Europeans seeking visa-free travel, adventure, and new opportunities in a welcoming, affordable, and culturally rich environment. Oh, before we go to the next country, comment down below where you are watching. We love to know where you are from. And now, let's go to the next country. Number 6. United Arab Emirates. The UAE is famous for luxury, modern cities, and world-class attractions. In 2026, Europeans can visit without a visa, making trips to Dubai and Abu Dhabi faster and simpler than ever. Why does the UAE offer visa-free entry to Europeans? The answer is tourism and business. The UAE wants to position itself as a global hub for travelers and investors. European visitors bring high spending, especially in shopping, hotels, and entertainment. Another factor is diplomatic relations. The UAE maintains strong ties with European nations and sees visa-free access as a way to deepen cooperation. Europeans can stay up to 90 days without a visa, giving them plenty of time to explore, attend business meetings, or enjoy luxury resorts. Short-term business visitors benefit from smooth entry, while families can plan spontaneous trips easily. The policy also supports the UAE's goal of diversifying its economy beyond oil. More tourists mean more jobs in hospitality, retail, and transportation. Hotels and attractions gain steady customers year-round. Europeans can visit iconic landmarks like Burj Khalifa, explore desert safaris, or enjoy shopping festivals without paperwork delays. In 2026, the UAE continues to welcome Europeans with open arms, ensuring every visitor has a smooth, luxurious, and memorable experience. Number 5. Thailand. Thailand has always been a top choice for European travelers with its beaches, temples, and vibrant street life. In 2026, many Europeans can enter Thailand without a visa, making trips even more convenient. Why does Thailand offer visa-free entry to Europeans? Because tourism is a major part of the economy, and European visitors bring consistent spending throughout the year. The government wants to keep Thailand attractive and accessible. Europeans can enjoy Bangkok's markets, Chiang Mai's culture, and Phuket's islands without waiting for visa approvals. Families, solo travelers, and friends can plan last-minute trips easily. Another reason is competition with neighboring countries. Thailand wants to stay ahead as a leading travel destination in Southeast Asia. Visa-free access gives it an edge over places with stricter entry rules. Short-term business visitors also benefit from faster entry, and vacationers save time and money on visa applications. Hotels, restaurants, and tour operators gain more customers, which strengthens the local economy. Europeans can attend festivals, enjoy cooking classes, or explore night markets without paperwork delays. Multi-city trips are easier, letting tourists experience both urban energy and tropical relaxation. Thailand's visa-free program in 2026 ensures smooth travel, encourages longer stays, and allows every European visitor to explore freely, discover hidden gems, and create lasting memories in one of Asia's most welcoming countries. Wait! If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. And now, let's go to the next country. Number 4. Malaysia. Malaysia offers a unique mix of modern cities, tropical islands, and cultural diversity. In 2026, Europeans can visit Malaysia without a visa, making travel simple and stress-free. Why does Malaysia welcome Europeans so openly? The main reason is economic development through tourism. European visitors contribute significantly to local businesses, from luxury hotels in Kuala Lumpur to beach resorts in Langkawi. The government recognizes that removing visa barriers increases tourist arrivals. Europeans can stay up to 90 days, giving them time to explore multiple regions. Families can plan spontaneous trips, while digital nomads enjoy extended stays in cities like Penang or Kota Kinabalu. Another factor is Malaysia's strategy to compete with neighboring countries. By offering visa-free access, Malaysia positions itself as a convenient alternative to Thailand or Indonesia. Short-term business visitors also benefit from smooth entry procedures. Europeans can attend conferences, meet partners, or explore investment opportunities without delays. The policy strengthens Malaysia's reputation as a business-friendly destination. Local economies benefit as tourists spend on accommodation, food, shopping, and activities. Cultural festivals, rainforest tours, and island hopping become more accessible without visa hassles. Europeans can experience traditional markets, try local cuisine, or visit historic sites freely. In 2026, Malaysia's visa-free program ensures every European traveler enjoys a convenient, affordable, and memorable journey while discovering the country's natural beauty, modern infrastructure, and warm hospitality throughout their entire stay. Number 3. Singapore. Singapore is a clean, safe, and modern city-state known for efficiency and world-class attractions. In 2026, Europeans can visit Singapore without a visa, making trips incredibly straightforward. Why does Singapore offer visa-free entry to Europeans? The answer is economic strategy and international reputation. Singapore wants to maintain its position as Asia's leading business and tourism hub. European visitors bring high spending power and often combine leisure with business activities. Another reason is mutual trust and diplomatic cooperation. Singapore has strong relationships with European nations and sees visa-free access as a natural extension of these ties. Europeans can stay up to 90 days, allowing them to explore thoroughly or attend extended business engagements. Families can enjoy attractions like Marina Bay Sands, Sentosa Island, and Gardens by the Bay without paperwork delays. The policy also benefits Singapore's hospitality and retail sectors. Hotels, restaurants, shopping malls, and entertainment venues gain consistent European customers throughout the year. Short-term business visitors can attend meetings, conferences, or trade shows seamlessly. Singapore's efficient immigration system ensures fast processing at airports, making the arrival experience smooth and pleasant. Europeans can also enjoy cultural festivals, hawker centers, river cruises, and guided city tours freely. Multi-day stays are easier, letting tourists fully experience both urban sophistication and natural attractions. In 2026, Singapore's visa-free program demonstrates the country's commitment to welcoming international visitors while maintaining its reputation for safety, cleanliness, and convenience, ensuring every European traveler has an exceptional and hassle-free experience throughout their visit. Number 2. South Korea. South Korea is a vibrant nation known for K-pop, advanced technology, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. In 2026, Europeans can visit South Korea without a visa, making travel faster and more convenient than ever before. Why does South Korea welcome Europeans so generously? The main reason is cultural exchange and economic growth. South Korea wants to attract more European tourists to experience its unique blend of tradition and modernity. European visitors bring significant spending to hotels, restaurants, shopping districts, and entertainment venues. Another factor is soft power diplomacy. South Korea uses tourism to strengthen its global image and deepen relationships with European nations. The government sees visa-free access as a way to promote Korean culture, from traditional palaces to contemporary K-pop concerts. Europeans can stay up to 90 days, giving them ample time to explore Seoul's bustling streets, Busan's beautiful coastline, and Jeju Island's volcanic landscapes. Families can plan spontaneous trips, while students and young professionals enjoy cultural immersion without visa delays. Short-term business visitors also benefit from smooth entry procedures, attending conferences or exploring partnerships easily. The policy supports South Korea's tourism industry, which relies heavily on international visitors. Hotels, tour operators, and local businesses gain steady customers year-round. Europeans can attend seasonal festivals like cherry blossom celebrations, experience traditional tea ceremonies, enjoy cooking classes, or hike scenic mountain trails without paperwork hassles. Multi-city trips are easier, allowing tourists to combine urban excitement with natural beauty. In 2026, South Korea's visa-free program ensures every European traveler enjoys a seamless, flexible, and memorable journey while discovering the country's technological innovation, ancient traditions, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality throughout their entire visit, making it one of Asia's most welcoming destinations for European passport holders. Number 1. Japan. Japan stands out as the most welcoming destination for Europeans in 2026, offering visa-free entry and an unforgettable travel experience. This island nation combines ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology, creating a unique culture that fascinates European visitors year after year. Why does Japan welcome Europeans with such open arms? The main reason is economic recovery and tourism growth. Japan's government recognizes that European tourists bring high spending power and stay longer than visitors from many other regions. The country wants to boost its hospitality industry, and removing visa barriers is the most effective strategy. Europeans can stay up to 90 days without a visa, giving them plenty of time to explore everything from Tokyo's skyscrapers to Kyoto's historic temples. Another factor is cultural appreciation and mutual respect. Japan values its diplomatic relationships with European nations and sees tourism as a way to strengthen these bonds. The Japanese government invests heavily in making European visitors feel welcome, from multilingual signs to tourist-friendly services. Families can plan spontaneous trips, students can explore educational opportunities, and professionals can attend business meetings without delays. Short-term business visitors benefit from Japan's efficient immigration system, which processes arrivals quickly and professionally. The policy also supports Japan's economy beyond tourism. Hotels, restaurants, transportation services, and retail businesses gain consistent European customers throughout the year. Europeans can attend seasonal events like cherry blossom festivals in spring or autumn leaf viewing, try traditional crafts, visit hot spring resorts, or enjoy interactive cultural experiences without visa hassles. Multi-city trips are easier, allowing tourists to experience both metropolitan energy and rural tranquility. Japan's visa-free program in 2026 ensures smooth, safe, and enjoyable travel for every European visitor. Tourists can fully immerse themselves in Japanese culture, taste authentic cuisine, visit historic landmarks, explore modern entertainment districts, and discover hidden gems across the country. The convenience of visa-free access encourages longer stays and repeat visits, creating lasting connections between Japan and Europe while supporting local communities and preserving cultural heritage for future generations. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. Which of these countries would you visit first with your European passport? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and replying to as many as possible, and goodbye.